You write your own contract without writing your own contract if you're not a lawyer. I have found a seriously cool tool that can help you do this. Let's check it out. So this tool is called We Are Indie, and it's basically a one-stop shop for everything to run a freelance business. Now, I'm mostly interested in creating a contract, so let's go to New Contract. And you'll see a bunch of templates here. Of course, you can get templates from Google and edit them yourself in Google Docs, but if you're not a lawyer, it's really hard to customize these things. So let's just pick a random one. Let's pick software developer. Now, here's part of the beauty of this product. It will walk you through, like this, in a very intuitive way, how to fill in all of the aspects of this contract that can be customized. So you can choose who you are, what your role is. You can even add a client or the person you want to send this to. Now, here is the real beauty. So I got to this point when I was creating my contract and it asked me for a description of services. And as you can see, it is a blank page where I kind of freaked out until I clicked in this box to hopefully write something meaningful, and I saw this little digital assistant pop up. And this is basically a little AI that will write aspects of this contract for you. Anyway, you carry on and you fill in everything else. Based on the template you choose, it gives you some really meaningful fields that you should consider. Here's another example of where the digital assistant can help to fill in this section. You can also edit the format, the font, and the visuals of the contract. You can also set up automations so that when a contract is sent or a contract is signed, you can automatically do a number of actions. Reminder, it is called We Are Indie.